friends, got another video here today going over some stuff that I recently got at Walmart. None of it was on sale, it's just interesting stuff. Let's see what I got. First one is the Ozark Trail prop bait, 3.5 inch top water. Oh, it's really neat looking, looks like a whopper plopper, and I'm going to give it a try. Then I've got these here, were $1 a piece, and they're just little spinner baits from Ready to Fish. And you can't go wrong with a spinner bait like this. It's caught a lot of fish over the years, and I can't wait to put them to use. Then we've got a Ned Ocho and a Rage Ned cutter worm. This is a full kit. I think they were $3 something, which is not a bad deal. And I'm excited to try them. I love the Ned Rig. It does catch fish. And I love the colors on these too. Next up, we have an Ozark Trail Pad Hopper Baby Shad Combo Pack, 6-piece. Love the colors. I think it'll catch fish. I'm excited to try them for some crappie. See how they do. Then I've got an Ozark Trail trout fishing kit. As you can see there, it has a little craw and a bunch of other stuff, little worms, floats, hooks. It says it's a 50-piece. Yeah, 50-piece. Not bad for $5. Can't go wrong with this. Then I've got, I think these are kind of like Guggen bait knockoffs. This is the Hammer Hog. See a picture of it right there. Love the coloring. Should produce. Then we've got the Ozark Trail Kicker Curl. Just a nice little worm. Going with the standard green pumpkin. And this comes with 14 worms. That's not a bad deal for $1.97. Each one of these soft packs were $1.97 a piece. And then I've got just a stick bait. They call it the Sinker Sticks, or Sinker Stick. It's in green pumpkin as well. Really nice bait. And I also picked up a couple packs of Gamakatsu Octopus hooks in size number 4, size number 2 for carp fishing. Now, I want to thank you for watching this video today. Give it a like, thumbs up, comment down below. Tell me what you think of what I got. See if I got a good deal or not, or how do you think it'll produce. And please subscribe. I'd love to welcome you into the family. And you have a great day.